Just a little quick video how to use the 4-piston deck bridge tool to find out where your piston is in regards to your cylinder deck. This is a B20 VTEC with 13-ish compression pistons, and we are right now, I don't know if I'm going to get a good vid, but let's see if we can try so I can get you just, let me see. So the idea is, you got the deck, right? There's your indicator. So I'm putting this one on the deck. I zero it out. This one, you could do the same, just to make them consistent. Zero it out. So what you do is, you're gonna obviously bring, I only have this right now, bring top dead center-ish. So once you get up, and it goes back, come back, come back, come back. Trying to do it looking through the camera is not really working. I'm going to stop right there. The next thing you do, okay, see how they're uneven? You're supposed to rock it back and forth, and then you want to do it until they match. So there's 88 and 85. So back to 88. Should be 87 with this one. 87. 87-ish. Gotta go back the other way. Yeah, so 86 and a half. Ooh. So we are about 13, almost 14 thousandths of an inch below, as you can see below the deck. Right? So depending on what rods you have and what your builder or whoever recommended what to you, what kind of clearance you want. So I think with these you're just going to do 20 thousandths clearance, so we'll get a 33 thousandths of an inch head gasket. I might look into it a little further with the domes because I don't know if it's really going to matter there. But yeah, so if you wanted just to get back to zero, which obviously I don't do that, you would go 13 thousandths head gasket. That would bring you back to zero. But you need clearance. Parts get hot, things expand. So this one, we're gonna go, so we're 13 plus 20 thousandths would be a 33 thousandths Chematic, Pro Seal, whatever you want to use. I'm going to use a Chematic on this one though. So one more time, rock it. You got to get them till they're even, and that's it. Thanks guys, have a good one.